Hi, I'm Jeff Wichmann with Zacks Professional. Today I will show you how to use Zacks Research and our software tools to improve future performance of a few of your larger accounts. Zacks Research was rated as the #1 performer versus 37 other major research providers over the last 6 years by InvestStars, the independent evaluator of U.S. equity research. Why? Because Zacks ranked #1 stocks dramatically outperform the S&P, and this is not a backtest. By following our advice, you can improve performance of your clients' portfolios by easily identifying underperforming stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds, and replacing them with securities that have a better chance of outperforming. To apply our research to the holdings of your larger clients, simply enter a portfolio into our system and we will show you your weak holdings based on our own research and what 150 brokers are saying. Determine replacements for weak holdings by using our screening tools to screen over 20,000 stocks, funds, and ETFs using over 200 data items per security to find those that meet your investment criteria and have a Zacks Strong Buy recommendation. Once you have identified a new buy candidate, use our due diligence pages to decide what to replace. For stocks, we summarize 14 pages of investment information into this one page that displays the financial ratios most widely used to determine the investment attractiveness of a stock, including Zacks' own analyst research, valuation metrics relative to history and industry, Zacks quant models based on insider trading, institutional buying, dividend patterns, changes in broker recommendations, and patterns and surprises. For ETFs and mutual funds, we summarize 11 pages of investment information into the 2-page Zacks Fund Research and highlight the Zacks Mutual Fund Predictive Rank, which accurately forecasts if a fund will outperform its category over the next year. After making your trades, prepare for the future. Set up alerts for this account that identify future possible problems, such as a drop in Zacks long-term rec or broker firm recs, negative EPS, revenue or metric surprises, drops in valuation ratios, or poor performance relative to industry. When you get an alert, use our due diligence displays to confirm you want to replace the holding. Why stop with a few of your larger accounts? Connect Advisor Tools with your custodian and improve performance at any time for any of your accounts. That's it. There's no simpler way to improve performance of a client account. Visit ZacksPro.com to request a demo or call us at 888-691-0681 to learn more.